Tashinators, welcome back to my channel. In this video, this actually is a really highly requested video. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what I use to keep my teeth this white. Yeah, so if you're interested in the video, please do keep on watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what is actually going on? What's happening? If you're watching and you're unsubscribed, change that, babe. Join the family, become a tashinator. We're like so cool to get. Whatever, let's get into the video for real this time, okay? So, look, I failed with the whole memory thing in my previous video. I will leave that linked somewhere on the screen. So I'm back with the book because listen, the girl, it's embarrassing. Are you not embarrassed? I'm embarrassed. Okay, I'm embarrassed. So we're gonna start with the oral hygiene aspect and then the teeth whitening thing. I feel like a lot of people need to watch this video. A lot of people are killing themselves in their face masks. Like, you guys need to watch the video because you know that you're dying. Let's start with the basics of brushing your teeth and everything. You need to wake up. Before you eat anything, brush your teeth. In the evening, before you sleep, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. It's only common sense, but some people actually don't know this, or they know but then they choose not to. You need to brush your teeth twice a day. It's mandatory. Okay? So, actually I want to tweak it. Brush your mouth. Don't brush your teeth only. Brush your mouth. Because if your breath stinks, it's the meat inside your mouth. You've got raw meat in your mouth. Raw meat will stink if you don't brush it. Okay? So you're gonna take your toothbrush, brush this like inside your cheeks, brush on top, and scrape your tongue like scrape your tongue so you can bring all the dirt that's at the back in the front. Because that's the reason why you got bad breath. You need to change that. Brush your tongue. Okay? Brush your teeth. Twice a day. Brush your whole entire mouth. It's something that you need to do. Then flossing and using mouthwash. So I prefer mouthwash. But some brands have mouthwash that will burn your mouth. Yo, it is so hot. It's like so get mouthwash that isn't as strong. But then the reason you do this is because during the day you eat food, right? So say you have a burger and then some of the meat gets stuck in between your teeth, or candy particles get stuck in between your teeth, and then you're opening room for cavities to start growing into it. Do cavities grow? Whatever. I'm not doing that to myself. But you give way for cavities in between your teeth. That's why you need to floss in between, because some things could be in your teeth, dog, and you need to get that out. Or you could use mouthwash and then just pull the mouthwash through your teeth just to make sure that everything from in between there leaves your mouth, because you don't want it there. Because you don't want cavities, okay? You don't want to have unnecessary visits to the dentist. You don't want to go there when you don't have to go there, okay? Okay. Then, chew gum. If you know you struggle from bad breath, I suggest that you chew mints. Do you chew mints? You have mint, you eat mint, and you chew gum. Spare mint gum, bubble gum, because it is you you are the one suffering now because of the masks. You are the one facing yourself. I'm helping you. So if you know that you've got bad breath, you need to you chew that down. Murder that chuppies, okay, girl? Okay. Then your toothbrush. you are not supposed to have the same toothbrush for more than 3 months. I did not know this, I'm not gonna lie to you. When I was doing my research for this video, that's when I found out that you're not supposed to have the same toothbrush for more than 3 months. I don't know why that is. I change my toothbrush about like 3 times a year, but you're supposed to change it 4 times. I don't know why that is. You can go and do your own research. Just don't do it, okay? And then another thing, guys, when you're sick, say you got the flu or whatever, and you brush your teeth when you're sick with the flu, you brush. That toothbrush you were using, you are supposed to throw it away, because you find that, okay, you're sick, it has all these germs, you had flu, and then like you're scraping your tongue, because obviously you scrape from the back of your mouth and you bring it forward, and then when you're not sick, you're going to use the same toothbrush, go to the back of your mouth. Does that make sense to you? Like, you're going to get sick. You're gonna get sick again, and that's something that you don't want. You want to avoid being sick at all times. Being sick is not fun, it's not cute. Okay. Now we're gonna get into the whole teeth whitening. Finally, I get questions about my teeth all the time, and it's about time. I've been stalling this video, but it's time now. Okay. So the first thing I would advise you to do is, if you're going to drink cool drink or Coke or like just juices, if you're gonna drink anything that is not water, I suggest you drink it with a straw. So say for example coffee. Coffee is brown, we know this. So drinking coffee with a straw, I know it sounds weird and it sounds berserk, but then you are avoiding the whole teeth staining if you're going to drink it with a straw. Coke, for example, Coke is black. Is it black or brown? Whatever color Coke is, now. Drink it with a straw. Because if you're going to drink it straight, you're pulling it through your teeth, back with the cavities. Because most of the things that we like drinking are unhealthy. Yes, it's unhealthy. Most of the beverages we have are unhealthy. So we need to at least protect our teeth from being stained from the color of the beverage we're drinking. Do you get? Yes. Then, so these are the things that I used to whiten my teeth. Before I get into this section, like before I dive in, I want you guys to understand that everyone has naturally yellow teeth or naturally white teeth. It's okay for your teeth to be a little bit on the yellow side. I was lucky and I got my teeth a little bit on the whiter side. So yeah, don't feel bad. Don't compare yourself to people who have whiter teeth than you. Okay? It does not mean that you don't brush your teeth. You brush your teeth, you do the whole oral hygiene thing, and that's good. Don't feel bad if your teeth are on the yellower side of life, okay? It's okay. That's just your teeth color. It's what you were given by God, okay? Okay. The first thing I got into when I was whitening my teeth was bicarbonate of soda and toothpaste. So bicarb is basically baking soda. Good old baking soda, baking powder, whatever you want to call it. That's what I got into first. And how I did was basically I'd wet my toothbrush, yeah, and then I would dip it inside the bicarb and I'd brush my teeth like that, like straight. Brush my teeth like that. You do see results, but then it's over a lengthy period of time, and I didn't like that, so I stopped completely doing that. And then I just carried on with toothpaste, and I was like, oh, whatever, I don't care about whitening my teeth because my teeth are really white, whatever. But then you see, you have to maintain it. It was given to you, but now you must maintain it. Do you understand? So then my teeth started to get a little bit yellow, and I didn't like it. So I was like, no, I need to find something to, you know, get my teeth looking white again. So then I started using the Long Ridge toothpaste. So you guys know, guys, everything I use like it's from Long Ridge. So I use the toothpaste, Long Ridge white tea extract toothpaste. This toothpaste has got whitening agencies. Please look at my teeth. See, I have white teeth, and this toothpaste, girl, guy, this toothpaste will put you inside. Okay, you will be inside if you use this toothpaste. This is the secret to white teeth. I'm telling you. Then coconut oil pulling. So this is something I saw on the internet. It's not something that I've done, but basically it's you taking, let's say, a tablespoon of toothpaste, a tablespoon of coconut oil, putting it in your mouth, and then like doing that, like pulling it through your teeth. You pull it, and you have to do this for like 5 to 10 minutes every single day. So I was like, I am not about to do that. Look at me. I'm not doing that. There's no ways. Imagine that no ways. So I was like, I'm not doing that. But if you feel like it's what you want to do, go ahead and do it. You know, and go have fun. I feel like it just takes so much time. Like imagine, and then like your jaw, and then everything it's like no. I was not going to do that to myself. No ways. Then activator charcoal is the last thing I'm going to talk about in this video. I used, and I still do sometimes, use activator charcoal. I got mine from Diskim. Looks like this. Activator charcoal. Guys, this thing, God knew what he was doing when he made activator charcoal. Activator charcoal is so good for everything. So basically, like, it removes stains, right? I got this for 32 rand, by the way. Activator charcoal removes stains from your face, from your teeth. I want to start using it as a face mask because you guys know that I'm on this skincare journey. I'm having a slight breakout now due to school stress, but you know it's okay. So back to the activator charcoal. This is good for your teeth. So you brush your teeth the same way you do with bicarb of soda. So you basically dampen your toothbrush. You put the toothbrush in the activator charcoal. It's very messy, but the results are worth it. So you brush your teeth with the activator charcoal, and it looks weird at first. Like if you aren't used to it, then you can be like, So I suggest you brush your teeth away from any white walls, because obviously like it's gonna splatter and then it's gonna stain your walls, and you don't want that. So you brush, like you stick the toothpaste, you stick the toothbrush into the what is going on? You stick the toothbrush into the activator charcoal, and you start to brush your teeth as you would with toothpaste. And then this is if you're doing it alone. So I usually use the activator charcoal on its own in the evenings, because obviously I'm not going anywhere. So I use that, and then you have to pour water through your mouth. Like you see the thing with coconut oil, you do that with water so that it like comes out from your teeth and your gums and everything. Then you could, so in the mornings I do this with the Long Ridge toothpaste and the activator charcoal 3 times a week. I put the toothpaste on my toothbrush, and then I dip it into some activator charcoal, and I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth with the toothpaste and with the charcoal, and it just gives my teeth a really nice finish. Like my teeth look great after I do that. So yeah, that's what I did and still do to whiten my teeth. If you guys have any tips or any tricks that you do to whiten your teeth, please leave them in the comment section below. You know, we're a family, we help each other. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, at this point you need help, because what are you doing, baby? click the subscribe button. It's not difficult. Join the family, you know what I'm saying? Be part of us, we're fun, we're cool, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, join the family. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and leave a comment below. I saw that you guys like the hygiene videos, so I'm gonna keep on doing these because I love filming these as well, because I also get to do research and find new things that I could do to improve my hygiene routines and everything. So I love doing these. And yeah, if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment below. My Instagram is in the description box as well, so if you want, you can DM me. And yeah, this is it. This is the end of the video. If you've got any video or content suggestions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you could DM me. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you, keep safe, and practice oral hygiene. Bye.